How to start trading. Deposit and withdraw in 4 easy steps. Number 1, you need to have trading app, which is MetaTrader 5. Number 2, register trading account. Number 3, link account to trading app. Number 4 is deposit, trade and withdraw. So I recommend that you download MetaTrader 5 from Google Play Store or Apple Store so that you can have the latest features. And for you to have a trading account, which is number 2, you'll go to my YouTube, click on the link so that it can actually lead you to this website, which is Derive website. And for those who are in my actually TikTok, the link is provided in the bio there. So you can click on it and be able to register. Now, enter your email address, click I agree, click create demo so that you can actually have the demo account, and which is the wallet account that you're gonna have. Check your email address so that you can actually verify your information, all right, which is the email. Now once you click verify, you will actually have to enter where you actually live, which is country of resident, and then create your password. Creating a password is simple. Here's an example for you to actually create a password. Don't use this password, just an example, and you click on set up your real account. If you actually landed in a different page, click on get real account so that you can have both real account and demo account. If you landed here, you're going to click on the 10K so that you can have create a real account. You're going to click on real account, and then after clicking on real account, you click on I add, which is add options and multipliers. Okay, all right, now you would click on US dollar. Please select only US dollars, and then you actually choose the national ID. Enter your ID, which is quite simple. This 4 steps is for you to just have a real account, and then you enter your ID. This is my demo, all right? And then you enter your 2 names here. Last name, please put your same name, all right? Date of birth, you know your date of birth, and which is filling up your information. What is actually happening here when you click on create a demo? It's actually we are creating a wallet account so that we can have a real account. Now, confirm that your information is right, and make sure that your information is actually correct. Okay, I confirm. Enter your number. Remember, your number must start with the country code. Okay, and place of birth. You will actually search and find your the options that we have here. And then on text, please don't put anything. Just click on income earning. All right, confirm your information. On text, don't put anything. Just leave it like that, and then click next. On address, make sure that the address is the same as the one that you'll upload to confirm your information, and then click next. When you click next, you will actually have to confirm that I'm not actually a political person, so I'm not even in the US, which is excluding Canada. So you click I'm not PEP, you click I agree to terms and conditions and add account. All right, once you have clicked add account, you'll have an option if you want to deposit now or want to deposit later, and then you can choose to deposit later if you want to deposit later. But we can actually choose to deposit now, which is simple. There are method for actually to use to deposit, which is we can use the card, we can use crypto, we can use e-wallet. Okay, so these options are quite simple. The card, you can actually select the card, which is you have to have a Visa card. If your card has a MasterCard on it, please just know that that card will not support the deposit, and mostly will not be able to give you an option for you to withdraw. So on the card number, for those who have difficulties on the card security code, all right, this is a CVV code that is in the back of the card, which is 3 digits. All right, and then you'll enter your card number, enter the amount of money, which is the minimum, which is $10 that you can actually deposit, enter your expiration date, and then that's simple. Then after that, you can click on deposit. All right, and then you will have your money in this account and be able to start growing it, trading, analyzing the chart, and trade and withdraw. All right, for now we're going to click on these are the options that we have. All right, these are the options that we have. You can choose whichever, even Skrill Nutella. I actually recommend it if you actually have some knowledge about it. But if you have some difficulties, I'll actually assist you if you wanna some assistant. All right, other than that, we have more options for you to choose, for you to withdraw, deposit. All right, and these options, they're gonna also be the ones that you're gonna use for withdrawal, and then deposit later, which is we can cancel. So now we can choose to verify the account, but let's choose to do that later. On options, CFDs, we're gonna click on get on standard so that we can have the trading account for MT5 and be able to link it. Click on ST Vincent, create a password, which is simple, and Here's an example for you to actually, for those who are having difficulties. Please don't use this password. Click maybe later. The transfer is for you to transfer funds once you actually made to deposit. Once we click the three dot icon over there, we're going to go to account settings to finish setting up the account. On financial assessment, on proof of address, we have we can verify it, everything is there. And now we're going to fill up our information so that they can have a bit of our financial background. So choose the way that I select here. You can choose the way that you feel that you like. This is not actually something that it must be true or what, but it's just fill up the way that I feel. If you actually feel it's actually according to you, all right, you can choose however you want to choose here. It's no any restriction or something like that. But then other than that, we're just gonna fill up and quickly finish this so that we can have the trading account. And once we're done here, please make sure that you verify the proof of address and proof of ID, okay? Because if you don't do that, you'll be limited to not be able to open a position of a buy on a sell. The account will be in a disabled mode, but then you can have an access to it once you have linked. So you can upload your ID here. And once done, you can actually come back to this option and then click on open, which is CFDs, copy the login ID, make sure that the broker server it's actually correct and broker name is correct, which is derived SVG. So that's what we're going to search. For the Android users, it's quite simple. So you're going to open the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can copy these numbers, write them down so that you can actually not forget them, and make sure that when you're linking, now we're linking the account to what? To the MT5. So you're going to open MT5 on your mobile phone, and then for the Android users, you're going to click on manage, click on this plus icon over there, and then you will click on what you search derive SVG. You search derive SVG broker name, so that you can actually, for the iPhone users, it's gonna be you're gonna click on new account, okay, new account, and then you're gonna search derive SVG, which is enter company name or server, so that you can have the account. So on server, you're gonna change the server, make sure that the server is corresponding to that account, which is derive server. Here you can see you can log into derive, make sure that login password, and then click on login, which is quite simple. So make sure that it's correct, everything is correct, so that you don't have any authorization fail or invalid account. Okay, once you're here, you can actually click on this icon over here, so that you can be able to deposit and withdraw if you are lazy to open MetaTrader to open Derive website. Okay, it will direct you to Derive website, or for those who are actually landed in Derive, you're gonna go to cashier, deposit, and these are the options for you to deposit. So you're gonna click on the first option, and then for you to actually, you can select the bank. If you are someone in South Africa, you verify your account, you will have also. If you have a card, you can use your card, which is quite simple, and be able to deposit. So you're gonna enter your smart ID card, which is the ID name, ID number, money, Capitec or ABSA or FNB bank that we're using. Also, it's simple to use. You can still use also for you to withdraw same day. So you're gonna verify the authorize the payment on Capitec or whatever app or bank app that you're using. Now you can click on cashier, which is go back to transferring your money. All right, you're gonna click on the three dot icon, then click on cashier, click on transfer. Once on transfer, you will click on enter the amount of money that you want to transfer, so that you can go to your MT5, because you have a wallet account. Open MetaTrader 5. Once you have opened MetaTrader 5, you'll actually now analyze, trade, so that you can be able to grow your money and trade all the assets that are offered here, be able to set stop loss, take profit, buy, sell, and all that. Okay, once you have done growing your account just like I do, you'll actually head to Derive, transfer your money back to the wallet, so that you can be able to withdraw it. All right, on withdrawal, you have many options that you can actually withdraw from, but these options, they are only activated if right now you've managed to deposit with them, okay, such as the OZO, the Netel, the Skrill, and then you can send an email, which is they need to confirm that it's you. Then open your email, confirm it's you, enter your money that you want to withdraw. You will see the withdrawal options that you have down there. Click on them. Email will be actually on your mailbox that you requested your payout, and then payout will be confirmed and sent to you within that one day, and then everything will be approved. From there, you can actually enjoy your profit. Simple.